Ever sent a digital dollar bill? Sending Bitcoin with Cash App. Hey everyone, have you ever imagined sending someone money across the globe without a bank involved? Forget international wire transfers with sky-high fees. Bitcoin, a revolutionary digital currency, lets you do exactly that. But how do you get started, especially if you're new to the crypto world? Cash App, a popular money transfer app, has made buying and sending Bitcoin surprisingly easy. But before you jump in, there's one crucial question: how much Bitcoin can you actually send on Cash App? In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about sending Bitcoin with Cash App. We'll cover minimum amounts, fees, transaction speeds, and all the nitty-gritty details to ensure your Bitcoin adventures are smooth sailing. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the world of digital currency, Cash App style. Bitcoin Basics, a crash course high voltage. Before we explore Cash App's sending limits, let's rewind a bit. Bitcoin, for those unfamiliar, is a decentralized digital currency. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments and banks, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network. Imagine a giant digital spreadsheet, constantly recording every Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's the magic of Bitcoin's blockchain technology. Now, Bitcoin itself can't be physically held like a dollar bill. Instead, you own fractions of a Bitcoin, represented by tiny little digital units called Satoshis, named after Bitcoin's mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Cash App, while convenient, doesn't let you directly deal with Satoshis. We'll focus on whole Bitcoin amounts and the conversion Cash App does for you behind the scenes. Sending limits: how much Bitcoin can you unleash? Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The minimum amount of Bitcoin you can send on Cash App is currently 0.00005 BTC. That's a tiny fraction, but hey, it's a start. Think of it like dipping your toes into the Bitcoin pool. It's a great way to test the waters and get familiar with the process before diving in with larger amounts. Cash App doesn't explicitly advertise a maximum sending limit, but it does have limitations based on your account verification level. The more information you provide to verify your identity, the higher your sending limits become. Here's a quick breakdown. Unverified accounts: these accounts have the strictest limits and can only send a total of $1,000 per week, including both regular cash and Bitcoin. Verified accounts: verification unlocks a higher limit, a whopping $7,500 per week. There you have it. These are the core limitations to keep in mind when sending Bitcoin with Cash App. Pro tip: verification is generally a good practice for any financial app. It adds an extra layer of security and unlocks more features. Transaction fees: who pays the Bitcoin toll? Unfortunately, sending Bitcoin isn't entirely free. There are network fees involved, which miners, the computers that validate Bitcoin transactions, collect for their work. Cash App factors these fees into the overall price you pay when you send Bitcoin. The exact fee can fluctuate depending on network traffic, but Cash App typically displays the estimated fee up front before you confirm the transaction. Here's the beauty: Cash App offers a free standard option for transactions, but it can take up to 24 hours for confirmation. If you're in a hurry, Cash App also provides priority and rush options that get your Bitcoin there faster, but for a higher fee. The choice is yours: prioritize speed or save some cash, pun intended, with the free option. Safety first: sending Bitcoin securely. Security is paramount when dealing with any cryptocurrency. Here are some key points to remember when sending Bitcoin with Cash App. Double-check the address: Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Sending Bitcoin to the wrong address is like throwing money into a digital black hole. Triple-check the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address before hitting send. Beware of phishing scams: just like with any online transaction, be cautious of phishing attempts. Never share your Cash App login details or Bitcoin wallet address with anyone you don't trust completely. By following these simple safety measures, you can ensure your Bitcoin adventures are secure and successful.